All right, Kurt, here is the video on your Santa Fe front end. You'll have to pardon my speed and shakiness. I am confined to a knee cart as I ruptured my AC, or my Achilles rather, so a little shakier than normal. So I went over it before I started the video. It looks clean overall. Two issues that I'd like to point out to you, I believe was in the description, is this lower trim piece here, which is a separate, it does separate out and disconnects. It is off right here, and obviously there's some issues, spider webbing, etc. with the chrome. A little more in there in that other piece, and then this trim piece, which actually looks like it's part of a third piece that goes over the headlight, obviously broken right there. I don't see anything else that jumps out at me. Again, this is not going to be my best video because I'm wobbling around. I did scoot in over here and look. There's nothing to say on the fender. Hood's clean. I'm going to pause it as I go around the corner here because it gets too close. So then coming in on the passenger side, everything looks good over here. Fender liner's in place. Sorry, the lighting back here is terrible. A little noisy as well. I'm going to scoot back over here and get you under the hood. So under the hood, everything looks normal. Everything inside that bag, the air cleaner, some splash shields, things of that nature. The underbody splash shields right here. And give me a second, I'll zing back over to the other corner and show you the cooling. All right, so then looking from the inside, rad condenser fans, everything is there. All looks well. Extra motor mount. Again, you'll see the metal banding. It's held down to the skid. And over there you can see there's a structural piece that we build in. We don't trust them for transport to just sit on those alone, so it brings plenty of straps. I hope we discussed the trailer. They won't throw this in the back of a pickup truck because of its size. I think that's about it. No, that's not a scratch there. That is actually just a reflection. So I think I'll be quite pleased other than those couple things up front. If you have any questions, just give me a call to discuss. Either way, if you could, just let me know your intentions. But it is secure inside our building. This is where it's going to stay for the weekend until we figure out what your schedule looks like. 800-222-2528. My direct is 112. Thanks.